Hi, how you doing? Here is the next series of our People and Edit project. The first time I have shown you how I was going to work with this project, designing the database using Figma, then creating the database with Python, then transform the data in Excel, and also I transform the data in Power BI. And from last series, I have shown you how I create some visualizations using Power BI, how I have transformed some data with Power Query, and also how to fix some issues when I was working with the data. So today, in this new series, I will go back to Figma to redesign all the tables I have been working with. The purpose is to update the first original schedule I have made. So with this update, I can have the relationships between all the tables. Now I'm going to leave you because we are going to Figma. Here we are. So do you remember this was the first schedule? Wait a minute. And the hand here, so we can move. This was the first schedule. As you can see, I have all the tables here I have been working with. I put what type of data each column was going to have, because then with MySQL and SQL, I am going to create this database. Remember, this is a database for a practicing purpose. Original databases become from HRAS systems, but if we want to create a database for a small business, we can use Excel and we can use this type of charts to try to recreate the relationships between all the tables we are going to use. And it's gonna be really helpful to know what type of data is storage in that column. You can see employee ID is an integer in workforce composition, but remember that I changed this data to text. Also, employee ID is going to be a text. Here it's okay, it's okay. This is the first schedule. This was the second schedule. And we are going to create a third schedule with the updated data, all the tables. So let's try to copy this and paste it. If you have never worked with Figma, I encourage you to try to explore it. Also, you can use Trello, Notion, other programs that they do the same thing. Try the one you want, the one you most like, and work with that. That's my recommendation. Let's see if I can copy all. Now, here we have our new copy. Let's zoom this. And now we can work with this. Okay, let's update our tables. For employee ID, the data now is going to be text. And here, text. Also, I am going to specify this employee ID as a foreign key, because this employee ID is the one that is going to connect employee wages with the employees table. So it's going to be a text and foreign key. Let's write here text. So PK primary key. Now, hotel ID. This is going to be again a text and foreign key. Now we can also change here for key. Integer, primary key, varchar, date, integer, boolean hotel ID. Here we're going to change to text, foreign key, primary key, varchar, date, integer, float, hotel composition. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, and again here we are going to change to text, foreign key, float, text, foreign key. Let's take a look at our Excel sheet because I am missing one column here, and I think this column is going to the employee wages as a foreign key. Hotel composition, ID, department, hotel ID, perfect. For employee wages, we have employee wages ID, okay. Total payment, hotel ID there. So here, let's select these two, this to the bottom, there. And now let's add hotel composition ID. It's going to be text, key, okay. Here also it's going to be text, and workforce composition, it's going to be text, we have employee hotel ID, we need to add hotel composition ID. Here we are. Now we have updated our tables. Let's modify try to move. Let's delete this and this. There. Now this has relation with this one. Let's draw a connector from here, also from here, there. This one is going to be connected to that one. This is going this one, hotels ID, so going to be connected. Let's wait a minute. So let's try to move this up. Let's make another connector from here to here. Well, the arrows are not the best, but you can imagine the idea what I am trying to do. I will fix this later. Now we have updated our tables, so with this we are ready to work with MySQL and SQL to develop these tables and our database. This is a small video. I don't have much to explain about Figma, so I hope this small video will show you how Figma works and how to think and design our databases with their relationships. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will still be working with this project. Remember, MySQL and SQL. I'm going to be working with all the details, and also I will be working with Python to create some charts. Once I have finished, I am going to put all together so you can see the whole project, how it works. MySQL and SQL is going to take me a little more time. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye.